Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add website as a shortcut icon in the home screen in Honor 70 Lite. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Chrome, or you can try other browsers, but I'm not sure if this feature will be available in other browsers. Now open any website that you want to add as a shortcut icon and click on the three dots or arrow pointing up in the top right corner of the screen. Then click on Add to Home Screen. You'll be able to name your icon however you like. When it's ready, click on Add and go back to your home screen. Here you can find the icon, click on it to open this website instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.